Today I'm standing outside the Usher Hall on Lothian Road in the West End of Edinburgh. The Usher Hall was opened in 1914 and ever since then has been considered to be the premier concert hall in Edinburgh. Indeed, it's arguably the premier concert hall in Scotland. What a lot of people are surprised to hear is that the money to build this magnificent building mainly came from the sale of whisky, the national drink of Scotland. The premier benefactor for the building was a man called Andrew Usher. Andrew Usher pioneered distilling and the blending of Scotch whiskies.